Are you eating your way to obesity without even knowing it? A new report suggests that the worldwide obesity crisis may be due in large part to the significant increase in vegetable oil consumption. Soybean and palm oil are so common now that they're considered two of the 8 main food groups that provide 85% of the world's calories. While vegetable oil has helped reduce famine and provide cheap calories for the poorest of poor, worldwide obesity has doubled since 1980. People may be consuming more unhealthy imported foods instead of locally available options, and the low cost and increased availability of oil may have led to a change in the way food is prepared in some countries. Technology has also played a role in the obesity crisis, as people can now work, eat, shop, and live almost completely online without having to move around. To combat this trend, use oil sparingly when cooking and opt for heart-healthy olive oil when possible. While the obesity crisis is complex, small changes in our diet and lifestyle can make a big difference.